Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to run a PowerShell script. So first of all we have to of course create a script, so we'll start with creating a script file. So we can do it by typing in new -item. New item creates a file in Windows PowerShell. Right now we have to specify the name. I will name it script. Script. Like this, and right now we have to specify the extension. To make a PowerShell script on Windows PowerShell is PS and 1. You can press enter, and as you can see, we have a script.ps1 in our desktop. Now we have to write something into it in order to check if it is working. So you can open this file just going to the file explorer, but you can also use something like this. So you can directly use Notepad from your terminal. So Notepad and script.ps1. It will open the Notepad, and now we can write something into it. In order to print the text from a script in Windows PowerShell, we have to use command write -host. And right now we will add the message. So for example, this is a test message, for example, like this. We can save that by pressing Ctrl S, and we can close that for now. And now how to run a script. In order to run a script from a current directory, so let's say we are in the desktop. In this directory we have a script.ps1. We can do something like this. So it is // and the name of our script. So script.ps1. As you can see, it is working. We are printing this as a text message. But let's say we will go back somewhere else in the system. So we will go back into the home directory. How can we run it? We can use this end sign. You can do it by pressing Shift+7. And now we have to specify the path to our script. So from disk C, basically we have to rewrite this thing from there. So C /users/user desktop, and the name of our script, that is script.ps1. We can close that, and it should work. As you can see, it is also working. This is a text message. But sometimes you can get an error. So let's say you will get an error. So for example, running script is disabled on this system, or something like this. How can you fix that? You have to change your execution policy. Basically, to check your execution policy, you can write the command Get-ExecutionPolicy like this. And I have the RemoteSigned. This is the best execution policy, I think, because this allows local scripts to run safely. In order to change it to RemoteSigned, you have to use command like this. So Set-ExecutionPolicy and RemoteSigned and -scope and current user. You have to press enter, and it will be changed to RemoteSigned. For me, nothing changed, as you can see, because I had RemoteSigned earlier, but for you it will help. And this is basically how you can run a script in Windows PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.